Hi and welcome to iManagement. In this video I would like to show you how to do a risk management. This Excel file you can download for free on my website. Once you open the file, I suggest that you enter first the risk families. You can do it by clicking on this field. You will get to this table and you can simply fill in the risk families. Then what is important to know is that there is a difference between the risk family and the risks itself. In this table you have the risk families and the graphs are an average from the risks. To enter the details of the risks, you click on this icon. You will get to the main table. There in the first column you can choose the risk family. Then the second column you simply fill in the risks and you can decide who is the owner. Then also important to make a difference between the initial risk and the residual risk, but on both you have to decide of the probability of the occurrence of this risk. Is it unlikely, probable, very probable, or certain? The same thing for the impact. Is it critical, significant, moderate, or insignificant? Once you have the initial risk, you can decide about measures and hopefully your risk will decrease, and it's in the residual risk where you decide how much this decreased. So you can, for instance, choose probable and the impact will be moderate. In this column, the risk treatment, you can decide if you want to accept this risk, if you want to transfer it, reduce it, or avoid it. And finally, here you can still fill in some project or an action plan with the priority and the responsibilities. So once you finished your table, you can graph different informations. You can, for instance, click here and you will get to an overview of the risk family. And here you see the initial risks are 1 and the residual risk which changed in time. Here, for instance, it stayed the same. You can also click on this icon and you will get the overview of all the risks. The same thing, you will have each time the initial risk and the residual risk. Okay, I'll go to the first screen. Here the risk management in an overview with the families. When you scroll down, you will get this chart. So here is a resume of the risk families with again the initial risk and the residual risk. You can of course also change the type of graph. Okay, that's it for the risk management. If you have further questions, you can click on the help button and you will get on the help desk where you find other information and also some more videos. Have fun. Bye bye.